I actually forgot to do one more thing, was start it up for you. Just to show you there, no lights on the dash. One of the tires is low, but that's pretty typical this time of year. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood one more time. As you can see, runs really nice and smooth. I don't hear any belt squeaks or any pulleys that are loose. Alright. One thing I did want to look at is I think this had some different exhaust on it. Nope, okay. This thing had a different one. Maybe it's on the other side. No, okay, the stock pipe. Alright, well, there's your view. Just wanted to get the underside of the hood while I was running for you. 330-281-3756. Thanks.